You know, broken restorations are fairly easy to fix. Damaged reputations, on the other hand, well, that's a whole other story. Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Melkers, a clinician and technician from Hanover, New Hampshire, and I'm going to be presenting Occlusion 101 to 911, Keeping Your Restorations and Reputations Intact at this year's Chicago Midwinter. I want to talk about the critical red flags that you should be aware of that can lead to your success or your failure, depending on your awareness. We're also going to talk about a balance between form, parafunction, and aesthetics. How do you want things to look? How do you make them fit? How do you make them last? I'd welcome you to join me to help keep your restorations and your reputation intact at this year's meeting. We'll see you there.